So the second video that I want to show you in the tutorial about how to install a sink in your bathroom is how to choose your sink. Actually, we already saw in the previous video how to choose the top where you are going to put it, and now we are going to talk about the sink itself. So there's no rocket science in telling that you have to measure everything, but actually really do it, because sometimes I was looking for things and I was saying, oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful, I want it. And then I was just about to buy this, and I said, no, wait, let's really check that it's gonna fit. And when I checked it, maybe there were just a few millimeters that didn't go well with other elements of my project, like for example the top, or for example, you have to also take into account which type of faucet do you want to use. Do you want to use a bigger faucet? Do you want to also have a space for other things? Like for example the glasses for the brushes, or so you really need to think about all these details before actually buying the sink, because it will make a lot of difference if you can actually give yourself the time to think about all this before buying. It will also save you a lot of money, because probably you won't need to return things because they will just work straight away. So I chose this really beautiful piece. It's super simple, and what I like is that the edges are like very rounded, so they are also like super soft, and I like it that is quite tall, because I really like to wash my hair on the sink and then put a treatment on my hair and wait and come back to the sink. So I do a lot of things in the sink. And I also use it sometimes for doing some small washing that I don't want to do in the washing machine, some quick things or things that I want to put during the night, like in water, and then come the next morning and just take them out and put it in the washing machine. So also think about what you want to do in your sink, because it will also give you better decision. So apart from that, the usual things that people say in YouTube videos, like, you know, the material, the sizing, the color, the design, these are things that you can find in many places. And then another thing that you might want to check is how this will combine with your top. So depending on the top is how we are going to need to cut it. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna show you which material you need for cutting a hole in a good panel, especially the one that I have, which is super huge. It has like 5 centimeters. So these are the two first pieces that you want to check: the top, the sizing, and also the sink.